Hello friends, today I would like to tell you about this device which is called an ionophone. More precisely how music is formed in this device. I hope you have heard the singing which does not arises from the speaker but arises from lightning. There is no magic here. Plasma vibrations are capable of creating sound. So I'll start what is sound. Sound is the longitudinal vibration that occur in the medium, in this case in the air. We need to somehow get the phase of refraction and compression. Now let's switch to the discharge that you saw. It is very hot. The presence of nitrogen creates such a bluish glow. So imagine that this discharge narrows and expands. It is not noticeable in the eyes, but it can narrow, expand, shorten, and lengthen. And if these processes are done several tens of hundreds of times per second, then you can get the sound vibration in the air that you have heard. Now the question arises how to do this practically, how to make the discharge increases or decreases. To do this, you need to change the reactance of the circuit, of electrical circuit. Our high voltage circuit is a DC to DC converter. I'll try to tell you the essence of this device. So there is a phenomenon called the phenomenon of self-induction. I like to take notes about it. So at the time of opening this circuit, the energy of the magnetic field is released in the form of self-induction EMF. At the time of closing the circuit, the current does not immediately reach its maximum value, but gradually. This phenomenon allows you to get ripples from the direct current that you are currently on the screen. In this way, a pulsating current arises which creates a pulsating magnetic flux in the magnetic circuit. And that in turn creates an EMF in the secondary winding of the transformer. But since there is a voltage multiplier in the secondary winding of the lower case transformer, we get a constant voltage at the output. But that's not all. How constant voltage creates sound? The fact is that in the generator that I use, it is possible to create an FM modulated signal. Look, I connected it to an oscilloscope. There is a shift of the chart rate by several kilohertz. As a result of my current stage, of course, I apply Ohm's law to the AC circuit. At this point, the lightning thickness and narrows, creating longitudinal vibration in the air. The frequency change occurs in time with the audio frequency. It is quite difficult to explain this because it requires very good knowledge of electronics from you and me. Maybe someday I'll do it, but not now. So for now, use what I'm telling you. It's good when there is a generator like mine that has a built-in ability to receive an FM signal, but if it's not there, you can do it on any 555 timer. Here is the scheme. Also, I will post all the schemes on my Telegram channel. Remember that a field effect transistor requires good cooling. The airflow will extinguish your lightning, so use devices without fan, but use a large aluminum radiator. You will need a 2-3 power supply. You can do more amperage, more lightning. For this device which you see in this video, the carrier frequency is 100 kilohertz. Well, that's all for now. I'm saying goodbye to you. I'll post a few notes and diagram in my Telegram channel to everyone for now, and buy my clutches, or later the clutches are not mine, my notes are only, but in any case it will support me. Bye bye everyone, you need new projects, Yuri Kovalyonik was with you. Thanks.